for Grampy. Let's shout hip hip hooray. I'm here to say that he's okay with lots to spare. Vote for Grampy. Let happy days begin. It's up to you to put him in the mayor's chair. Then if things get tough for you, this is all you'll have to do. Hitch your wagon to the old gray mayor. He will pull you through. Vote for Grampy, 'cause with his thinking cap, he'll put this town right on the map. So vote for boop-boopy-doop, boop-boopy-doop. Vote for Grampy.
Well, I guess I went out. Pretty good. Yeah, I'm proud. Well, here goes.
Now, let's see, I'll have to get all these things straightened out for the new mayor. And I'll, now let me see, did I say, oh yes, the flowers, that's it. I've got a beautiful new bouquet here.
Hello, Betty.
Oh, hello, Your Honor. Good luck to you.
Oh, yeah. Well, we're going off now.
All set to work.
Oh, no, you don't.
Wait.
You can't get away with that stuff.
What is it? What is that?
Autos too fast and trolleys too slow. Fix them up or out you go.
Our horses eat nothing and we eat hay. You better do something if you want to stay. Oh, here, Lyle. Oh, goodness. What now? What now?
No benches in the park and too many lights. Nowhere to spark. We want our rights.
There's not enough bathing girls on the beach. Do something about that or we'll impeach.
Oh, dear. Oh, goodness.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, my. Well, trouble in the air, huh?
Well, Grampy, what are you going to do about it? How about your thinking cap?
Well, you got something there, Betty. Guess I will. Hang on. Ah!
You got it?
Oh, no.